painted shields. We used to rule these tiny fields. Now rotor shadows stain the lawn, teacups rattling at dawn. Mom's voice caught inside her throat, news crawl scrolling like a rope. They taped a map on the fridge last night, red lines running through our quiet life. Stay inside, stay small, stay still, but the sky cracks open, screaming drills. Black helicopters over the swing set, searchlights cutting through the smoke of my breath. Fences growing higher than the oak tree. They say it's order, but it feels like tea. Black helicopters over the swing set, sirens singing where the robins slept. I used to wake up dreaming I was free. Now my backyard's staring back at me. Camouflage through the garden gate, boots crush marigolds we planted in May. Clipboard eyes counting every face, barcode future in a plastic case. They raise Barbados over fields, turn bleachers into wire and steel. Soccer lines now marching rows. Where did all the weekends go? They built a watchtower on the pitcher's mound, floodlights buzzing like a hungry crowd. Just comply, just sign, just kneel, but my pulse keeps shouting, this is real. Black helicopters over the swing set, searchlights cutting through the smoke of my breath. Fences growing higher than the oak tree. They say it's order, but it feels like tea. Black helicopters over the swing set, sirens singing where the robins slept. I used to wake up dreaming I was free. Now my backyard's staring back at me. Safety, promise peace, while they number every heartbeat. Line us up in tidy squares, next to numbers, lungs to air. I hold your hand, you squeeze back twice. Code for run inside our eyes, yeah. Helicopters over the swing set, searchlights cutting through the smoke of my breath. Fences growing higher than the oak tree. They say it's order, but it feels like tea. Black helicopters over the swing set, sirens singing where the robins slept. If this is order, if this is peace, why does my backyard look like a dream to see?